Motorcycle handguards have come a long way in recent years, and Barkbusters has been at the forefront of this innovation, and their all-new AERO-GP is even further proof of this. Today's video, we're going to go step by step installing our own set on this Kawasaki Ninja 400. Stay tuned. Hey, this is Lucas Bahara with Twisted Throttle. If you're new here, check out our website at the link below and shop for accessories that are made to fit your model. While you're here, leave us a like on this video and subscribe to our channel for updates on future products as well as more motorcycle content. Before we begin the installation, let's determine which fitting option we're going to use. There are 3 fitting options for handlebars with an internal thread, and there is also an option for hollow handlebars. For this installation, we are going to go with fitting option B for internally threaded handlebars. This is also the option for use without the original bar end weights, which is also the recommended fitting option from Barkbusters for most Kawasaki models. Now let's begin. First, you need to remove your stock bar end weight from your handlebars. Once this piece is removed, you can begin the basic assembly of the AERO-GP. Attach the bar end to the lever protector using the provided 16mm ball. Once you have the lever built, it is now time to attach it to your handlebars. No need for thread locker on the bolt you use for this step. Barkbuster sends them already applied with some, which is real handy. At this point, keep in mind that Barkbuster gives us a torque requirement of 20 Nm for the M8x50 bolt. Make sure to use the correct torque setting for the corresponding hardware, as the M6 has a different torque setting than the M8. Now that the lever piece is in place, you can either run it like this or attach the additional wind deflector. Use the provided screw to attach the wind deflector to the lever protector. Repeat this process for the other side. Once both handguards are attached, be sure to check the brake and clutch levers for clearance as well as turn radius clearance. And that's about it. If you'd like to learn more about the Barkbuster AERO-GP, head on over to Twisted Throttle to find a set for your bike. Thanks for watching.